Today I'm going to make another bird. So last time I made this bird. So this one got big wings on it, and I already hung them up. So this one is the one I made last time. So I made some birds that looked like this. It's much more easier. And this one is a bit like, I don't really like it, so maybe this one's more easier and more cool, more cool, like a V shape or something like that, V shape. So what we need is a pencil, scissors, and rubber. So if you don't have it, you don't need to use it. 所以如果你没有圆规的话，你可以不用。So you can use a plate or something to draw a circle. So this bird is made with circle. Yeah, and last time I already hung them up the birds. So if you want to learn how to make it them, you can look my video. And this bird is a white bird in Auckland, and I'm not sure the name is it. And today is Pentecost Sunday. Also, it's called Whit Sunday, and also it's called Whit Sunday. Like more places call them Whit Sunday. 所以今天呢是 Pentecost Sunday， 就是圣灵降临日，圣灵降临，对。然后呢 ，some place like they will like on that day they will make something with their family, like make a circle with a branch or something like that. Like they will celebrate it in different ways. 所以呢，每个国家都会有他们自己的方法，就是他们会跟他家里一起做一些东西，就是有些地方会，比如说用树枝来编个圆圈，然后他们也会做一些这些鸟，然后他们也会点蜡烛。So they will hang their birds on the circle, like they made it with a branch, or they hang the birds on the tree. They hang the birds on the tree, like something to celebrate this way. And they will light the candles, like long candles. And I got some long candles at home. They look like this. And I really like it because my friends said, like my friends also bought this candle. And this is, you can use it for your birthday or something like that. Like that long candle. And later I can open it for you guys to see it. So 它有些地方会点这种长蜡烛，然后呢，在那个树底下，就是那个树上会有那个鸟。So I bought this yesterday, something like that. Okay, so today we're going to make the birds look like this. 所以今天我们要做这种鸟，然后呢，我上期也说了，然后我可能会做这种鸟。Okay, let's get started. So first, we need to draw a circle. You can use anything. You can use a cup or something like that. And you need to draw big. You need to think about it like that. Half size. This is a half of the circle. So if you draw so small, but it will be small. So let's draw a big circle, but not so big. Oopsies. So, but you need to draw a whole circle, don't just draw half. Like draw a whole circle. Okay. Now we cut them down. Use the scissors. And I already used this cardboard for lots of video. I make the birds. And this is also very, very easy. It's much easier than the last one, but the last one more cooler. And this time I didn't take the needle and the string. I just showed you guys how to make them. And you can just hang the string up yourself. can look at the last video and I already teach it how does it find the string. And you can see the dots over there. Here, the dots. And we fold them in half. Okay, so this is the bird's shape. You can see it. This one's bigger, and I use a different card, so that one's a bit yellow. So now we need to draw the bird's head. 现在我们来画这只鸟的头。Okay, now I finished my birds, so you can see. I already draw it. 所以这块我画的是虚线 so you don't need to draw this part over here, and you just cut the bird's head in both cuts. So you fold it in half and cut it to both sides. And now we cut the wings. Remember, you don't cut all the way here. You just cut it and open it and cut the middle part. And if you want the bird's wings a bit forward, this one is not forward, this one is just inside. And if you want to put it forward, you can cut it here. And if you want just straight like that one, so you can just cut it here. And I think I will just cut it here. And this is the wings. But when you cut it, you can see it will look a bit weird. Oh, the head is a bit square, isn't it? So you can cut it a bit forward. So now it will look much better. Okay, now it's the bird's wings. And now his tummy is a bit big, like a duck. So we're going to cut his tummy. Cut in the shape you like it. And you can cut a little bit from here to make it more round. It's not a square. And now you finish your birds. It's very, very easy for this one. And if you cut this off, it's a bit like duck. So if you cut it off, it's like a duck, or you can cut a little bit here. You can also make a duck with this way. So today we're making birds. The bird is finished. Isn't it easy? So you must try it at home. It's quite cool. And you can hang them on your wall like the other birds. And if you want to know how to make these birds, let's go and watch my video. You will notice. Let's try it at home. Please try. It's very easy and cool. Then today's video is here. See you. Bye. Bye bye.